Hi there, my name is Ashri and welcome back to Gadget 360. So in today's video, we are going to take a look at some super useful productivity apps. So if you are struggling to be productive while working from home or taking online classes, then these apps can be really helpful. They will definitely make your life a little easier when it comes to getting things done. So let's begin. So first app on our list is Otter. So if you attend a lot of meetings or take interviews or online classes where you have to take some notes, then Otter can be really helpful. It can record your conversation in real time and transcribe your work within minutes so that you can just focus on the conversation instead of taking notes. This app is quite easy to use and available on both Android and iPhone. You can edit these transcripts to fix any errors or add some things, and if you wish to share the text with your friends or team members, you can even export it to any app easily. Second is Basecamp. Now this is a project management tool that, trust me, I use daily to keep a track of all the projects that I've completed so far and that are pending. Now you can use Basecamp on iPhone, Android and even web browser. So Basecamp is a shared space that can help teams to work together. It has 6 basic features: the campfire message, message board, to-dos, schedule, check-ins, docs and files. You can use it to communicate with your team members and keep a track of all the tasks. Next up is Todoist. It is the best to-do list app right now. You can use it to remember deadlines, get reminders, prioritize your work, track your progress and organize your projects. You can also integrate your Gmail and Google Calendar. Todoist is available on all the devices for free. It has a pro version as well that lets you add up to 300 projects, unlimited reminders and a lot more. Next up on our list is Be Focused. So with all the work, we often forget to take breaks in between, which eventually makes us less efficient. So this app will make you more efficient and also help you take break and intervals in between. It uses this technique called Pomodoro, which involves breaking your day up into 25-minute sessions followed by 5-minute breaks to help you get things done. So you can use this app to set work durations, break intervals, all while tracking your progress and goals throughout the day. Lastly, Trello, that you can use to jot down your important tasks, notes and even ideas. You can use it to manage your projects, keep a track of all your pending work. It divides the work into 3 lists: to do, doing and done, so that you can check what is left to be done. Now Trello is available on PC, Android as well as iPhone. Now there are a set of other productivity apps available on both App Store and Play Store as well, but my personal favorite has to be Basecamp. So let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite productivity apps. And do share this video with others so that they can also be more focused and efficient while working from home or taking online classes. Thanks for watching. I will see you very soon in the next video.